Good morning, besties. Alis kami ngayon. Pupunta kaming car meet. I think 30 minutes away from here. So, late na kami. Ay, wala namang late. 8 to 11 a.m. siya. Pero, 8:30 na. Usapan namin, alis kami na 8:30. Pero, dahil late kami natulog, ito. Late din kami nagising.
Pero,
Jordan.
Sapatos ba? No, yung sa forma ako tumitingnan ng sapatos.
Asan?
Medyo mahal.
Slow down, hold on tight now. It's okay to meet me at the front line. I've got cold feet, winter drives me wild. I can't fly down on the Friday. I was meant to meet you at your mom's house, so I apologize. I got a pocket, no nervous. Sometimes I run out of things to say. Turns out you've got one too. Dinner's gone cold, I don't care. We talk till the morning. I've got no sleep 'cause you drive me wild. 'Cause I know one day we get out of happy house and
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls. Maybe we could go to the mall, get our nails done, get our hair done, we fly. Maybe we could holler at the boys, looking so good, whistle when they walk by. 'Cause we know what they want, but we just laugh. Yeah, we won't let them get away with that. We walk tall, our heads held high, 'cause we so motherfucking.
When that happened, that accident happened, he goes,
You show up at my door with some coffee and croissants. Went to my favorite store, 'cause you could tell it's what I want. I can't imagine more. It's been a dream and far beyond. Well, so then what am I so nervous for? 'Cause when it's good, just really good, then it should be too good. I know that there must be a catch, just waiting around for the record to scratch. But then you go again where you say I dream about you.
Have this well.
You really?
Fun today.
How can I ask? Everything will be over tomorrow.
Direct. He was trying to turn her down.
Like, we don't have much time left. And I-
Gemini, born under a spring moon sky. Couldn't change her if you tried. She's got roses on her mind. Watch them grow wherever she wants to go. Never picking up her phone. She adores being alone. Whoa, and they say Juliet. When is she coming around? She ever settling down? They don't know Juliet. She never wants to be found. See, I'm for settling down. She's running with wind in her hair. Can't try to keep her back there. Day and night, chasing like she's a hurricane without warning. This in the storm as it's pouring. Day and night, chasing all the many lives of Juliet. Starstruck eyes, she's a rebel in disguise. Couldn't see it if you tried. It's only clear
Got my Sephora package. So, Sephora. Tada! Meron na ulit. Actually, nag-iisip ako kung ito yung bibiliin ko or yung Tatcha. Pero kasi, parang mas gusto ko to kasi may AHA, may glycolic acid, and makeup remover. And nakakasmooth din naman siya ng face. So, ganda lang kaliit. Oh my gosh. Ano to? Ano to? Saan? Tatanggal nga pala to. Okay. So, meron pang konti. Sinutin ko muna pag ko palit to. Since birthday month ko, meron silang pag-freebie palagi na ganito. Ito yung pinili ko, Laneige. Mini size nito toner ko. Ang cute. Moisturizer. Hindi ko pa ito natatry ever since. So, maganda to pang travel.
Not only do I
Let's go to the gym. May gym ulit ako, pero more on cardio. Kasi ang taba ko na. Kailangan ko pang ayusin yung pagda-diet ko. gamot ko, salamat naman wala akong babayaran. It's almost $200 din siya. And may darating kasi akong surgery sa Feb 28 dahil may keratoconus disease. I don't know how to pronounce it, pero keratoconus disease siya. So, kailangan ko magpa-treatment kasi pag hindi, lalabo yung mata ko kada years. And then, kapag lumala, magiging cornea transplant na yung solusyon. So, ayoko naman mangyari yon. Kaya, tinake ko na yung treatment. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya, pero para siguro siyang laser something. I don't know. Pero i-update ko na lang kayo pag na gawa na yung surgery ko. And also, yung insurance ko, hindi niya na-meet yung deductibles. Kasi wala akong check-up these past few months. So, yung deductibles ko, hindi ko siya na-meet. So, pag hindi mo na-meet yung deductibles mo, kailangan mong bayaran.
Yeah. How much do you think for the season? 0 to 200, oh.
Said it was easy, yeah, yeah, yeah. Call me when you need me. I don't wanna stay so easy, yeah, yeah, yeah. Do it on your way still, never do a die still. Oh, you should never see that I don't wanna fight it.
Hello, bestie. Nagpapagas ako ngayon. Pagkatapos, pupunta ako sa Publix. May bilhin na ako saglit. And then, uwi na ako. Kasi may labada pa ako. So pretty. Binili ko for tita. From me and Aljon. Inaantay ko pa yung boyfriend ko. Hinatid niya yung kaibigan niya kasi nasira yung car niya. I think for almost a week na rin ata or more than a week. So, wala siyang ride. So, habang naghihintay ako, nag-edit muna ako.
We used to have each other's playlists. No, no.